Lesson 3, Organizing Research Information. So now that you have compiled all of your research from reliable sources, you need to organize all that information so that you can begin writing your essay. So the structure of your research essay can have several different types, but what they all have in common is starting with an introduction paragraph, having body paragraphs in the middle that contain your research information, and ending with a conclusion paragraph. So there are many different types of research essays, but for the purposes of 5th and 6th grade language arts, I'm only going to mention like 4 or 5 basic ones. Some that you may come across either from 4th grade up until 6th grade could be a biography of a famous person, a state or a country, some sort of event in history or current event, any type of animal or plant or tree or something like that. Or it could be any nonfiction topic. Some of you guys might be doing a Genius Hour project where you get to pick any topic you want. This type of research structure can apply to any topic. So the most important thing to remember is that you have to keep track of where you got your information. So the information from the source, okay? So this sample page right here has areas where you can write the source where you got your information and which information came from that source. So if you had 2 websites and a book, you'll want to keep all that information separate. Which information came from which website and which information came out of the book. Make sure that you write down all the information that you can about that source because you'll need it at the end for your bibliography, which we'll talk about later. For the biography type of essay, there are certain subtopics that you can use to put your information into groups. So some of the subtopics in this graphic organizer that I found online are early life influences, interests and hobbies, challenges, contributions to society, personality traits and evidence, or other interesting facts. What you'll want to do is look at the notes that you have and make your own subtopics. For example, if you have personality traits and evidence on your graphic organizer, but you look at your notes and you don't have any information about personality traits and evidence, there's no point in putting a blank box in your graphic organizer. You can pick your subtopics and organize your information into those subtopics. These subtopics will become your body paragraphs in your essay. State research. Again, pick a few subtopics and put your information into the box under the subtopic that fits. For example, you'll have state information regarding the capital city, the state flower, the state bird, the state tree, some of the largest cities, what the state is known for, the nickname of that state, etc. What you'll want to do is look at your research information first and then see how you can group that information into subtopics. Events. For events, you'll want to go in chronological or time order. So a timeline graphic organizer is probably going to be the best. So choose an event and include information about what caused it and the results of the event. It's obviously important and memorable for a reason, so make sure you bring that out. Animal. Choose a few subtopics, such as the habitat where the animal lives, the appearance of the animal, what it looks like, how it behaves, what it likes to eat, or its diet. These will be your body paragraphs when you write your essay. Anything. This graphic organizer is called a BLT essay sandwich, and the reason why is because you can pick any topic, put the introduction at the top, the conclusion at the bottom, and you can organize your research into any 3 subtopics that you want. And then those subtopics will be the meat and the lettuce and the tomato of your essay. So this graphic organizer can apply to any topic that you want. So let's recap. Using a graphic organizer helps you group your information to make 3 or more, if you need, paragraphs, body paragraphs. So use these organizers to set up your writing. Some of the examples that I gave you were biography, state, event, animal, and you can use the BLT organizer for anything. Now it's time to do a matching activity. You're going to see the different types of graphic organizers, and you're going to see groups of subtopic information. You need to click on one piece and drag it to the corresponding graphic organizer, or click on the graphic organizer and drag it to the information it contains. Should be pretty simple. Good luck!